So next we have two other managed services that you can leverage on AWS, and those are Amazon ElastiCache and Amazon Redshift. Amazon ElastiCache is a web service that makes it easy to deploy, operate, and scale an in-memory cache in the cloud. It is fully managed in-memory data store, meaning it can automatically handle tasks such as software patching, setup, configuration, and backup. ElastiCache support two open source in-memory caching engines, Memcached and Redis. Both engines can be used to significantly improve the performance of web applications by allowing them to retrieve data from a fast in-memory store rather than relying on slower disk-based databases. ElastiCache can be used to cache the data from databases, web services, and other sources, and can be easily integrated with other AWS services such as RDS, DynamoDB, and S3. It provides extremely low latency in terms of response time, and you can include things like scaling and read replica to meet your application's demand. And again, you can do this without having to be able to manage that underlying infrastructure. It handles most common use cases, including things like database layer caching. So if you are working with another database, even something like DynamoDB, and you want to add a cache layer in between your application and the database, ElastiCache could help fill that need, and even session storage. So if you are working with a web application that is doing session storage, you can utilize the ElastiCache with something like Redis to be able to get quick response or session data. Practical use case of Amazon ElastiCache would be to cache the frequently accessed data from a relational database, such as product catalog or user profile information. By using ElastiCache, the application can reduce the number of read operations on the database and increase the performance of the application.